Wrestling trailblazer Pat Patterson has died at 79. Legendary wrestler Pat Patterson has died, according to World Wrestling Entertainment, announced Wednesday. WWE says extend its condolences to Patterson family and friends. Patterson began his career in 1958 and was a trailblazer in the world of wrestling as the first openly gay wrestling star. Something he spoke about his autobiography, Accepted, how the first gay superstar changed WWE. Patterson also remembered for his battle with Sergeant Slaughter. He also had a number of firsts, which include the first Intercontinental Championship. WWE says, former wrestler turned movie star Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson paid tribute to Patterson in an Instagram post. He says, "R.I.P. Pat, you be missed," Johnson wrote. Rough phone calls to get this morning to tell me, our dear family member of Pat Patterson, who was my pro wrestling mentor and father figure, has passed away. Love you, Pat. Thank you. I'll see you down the road. Pat Patterson, a pro wrestling icon, the industry first openly gay star and longtime lieutenant of promoter Vince McMahon, has died. One of the WWE Hall of Fame member, a true trailblazer of the industry, Patterson was linked to many firsts in sports and entertainment throughout his storied career. World Wrestling Entertainment says in a statement, in a career of spanning 6 decades, the Renaissance man left an indelible mark on the industry in the ring, and the microphone and behind the scenes. Pro wrestler John Cena says he never forget the Patterson family, the manure and zest of life. Pat Patterson lived life as it should be lived with passion, love and purpose, Cena says in a statement. He helped so many always entertain with a story or joke. He will live on in my life, always love you, Patrick. Pat Patterson died because of cancer at a Miami hospital on December 2, 2020. Pat Patterson, born in Pere, Clermont, January 19, 41, was a Canadian-American professional wrestler. He was employed by Professional Wrestling Promotion of WWE as a creative consultant and producer of a first ever WWE Intercontinental Champion and creator of the Royal Rumble match. Patterson was inducted into WWE Hall of Fame, class 1996. In 2019, Patterson became the oldest person to ever win a title of WWE history after winning of WWE 24/7 Championship at age 78 years old. He has been described by journalist Dave Meltzer as Vince McMahon's right-hand man and one of the chief architect of the WWE, playing an integral role in helping it become a global phenomenon. Life is so short. In God we trust.
Hi guys, I am Zai and this is Warwick TV 2.0 channel. Kung bago lang po kayo sa channel ko, huwag mahiyang mag-subscribe. Thank you.
Warwick TV 2.0.
Disclaimer, some images and video clips that I used this vlog are not mine, for educational purposes only. Thank you.